the objective around the melting point challenge with Genpact is showing the world the effects of climate change.
What we've done is put 594 gallons worth of ice in the form of one of our beautiful Envision Virgin Racing cars. And we've asked the public to take a guess as how fast and how much of it will melt in a 24-hour period of time.
We're now approaching a global tipping point with the Arctic. Many scientists are predicting the disappearance of summer sea ice in the Arctic by as early as 2030. And with the scientific consensus that summer sea ice, or year-round sea ice in the Arctic as we know it, will disappear by 2050.